Hey folks, how y'all doing? This is going to be an update on the Pressure-Pro 3300 PSI 2.5 gallon per minute. This thing does an awesome job. I did this update. I'm going to tell you what I do, what my secrets are. That's a Smith bleach dispenser right there. I spray that on my deck first. Not the Clorox. I use the heavy duty outdoor Clorox. This is the green bottle. I'll show you that. Hold up. Probably not a whole lot of difference, but here it is right here. Pro Results outdoor bleach, but that works great for the deck. Gets all that grime and mildew and everything off there. Then I use a number 25 tip, which is the green tip. The green tip. That's what I use. All right, but that's my trick. I got the BE Whirlwind. I did the patio, not the patio, the sidewalk a little bit ago. That looked great. But y'all, I'm telling you what, awesome machine. I got it from Pressure Works in Richmond. Lauren, she's really a big help, super big help. In fact, the first Whirlwind, BE Whirlwind I got, didn't work. It just wouldn't spin, but they sent me another one. No problems whatsoever. I mean, she's great to deal with. Awesome, awesome. So, you know, give Lauren a holler at the Richmond Pressure Works. The guy bought a new one yesterday, tried this a little while ago. I was like, whoa, it works. That's good when the tool works, you know. But I'm really happy. They're great to work with. But that's my secret. I don't use the cleaner. It's got an adjustment on there, on the Smith. I got it from Home Depot. It wasn't cheap. It was like 69 bucks. But it's made to run bleach through it without ruining it, O-rings and all that kind of stuff. But of course, after I get through using it, and plus it comes with a lanyard that you can strap around if you want to. It's a 2-gallon Smith Performance Sprayer. But that does the ticket. It's got an adjustable wand. You can spray your differences. I mean, if you got a 2-store house, you might get on a ladder, but this way you're getting full concentration of your bleach. I add all bleach, maybe a tad bit of water, but mostly bleach. And I'm using a product called Simple Green OxyClean. That works really good too. I'll show you that too. But Pressure-Pro, the Pressure-Pro Power Washer, 3300, 2.5 gallon per minute. Thumbs up. I give it a 10, A+. All right, let me show you the OxyClean. All right, trying not to bore y'all too much, and I'll show you the results. I could have ran the pressure washer and this and that, but hey, it's a Honda. It runs great. I like to press my wand without the tip in it. Press my, you know, to get all the, turn the water on first, make sure there's water in the pump, prime it. Press the hose, and then crank it. You know what I'm saying? Without the tip in it, that is, and be careful. And I always wear safety glasses, and I wear rain gear. If it's a cool day, I mean, like today I use my Helly Hansen oil slicks rain gear. But this stuff's cool. Simple Green Oxy Solve. That's good stuff there. I mix that with my in my dispenser with my Clorox. It's good stuff. All right, put this up. But anyway, yeah, y'all. I mean, I'll show you the results. I did update so y'all can know. But this is what I use. And I love that rack and lawn carrier. It's awesome. Like I say, I use a 25 degree, or the green tip, to pressure wash my deck with. And I let the chemical do the work, the Clorox.
and simple green. And it's very hard because you don't want to go down to the, I mean, you don't want to go down to your grain, or you would. You just want to knock the stuff off. And that's your washing tip right there. And really good to go. But that cat pump is the bomb. Really good. But that's, and that B Whirl-A-Way, that's a top-notch product there. Good product. But every now and then, you know how it is, you get tools, you get one that don't work, and hey, it was under warranty. They sent me a brand, they delivered me a brand new one, no questions asked, no problems, nothing. And the Smith, recommend it. It was like 69 bucks from Home Depot. It'd probably be the last one you ever have to buy. Yeah, but I rinsed it out with Dawn, dish detergent, and water, hot warm water, and I spray it out clean, let it dry out. You can make your stuff last. And I wear boots, Forrest Gump boots. My wife calls them marching band boots, but I'm used to wearing them for fishing years ago and crabbing. All right, my gun, my wand, I got that hanging up right here. Just mix it up out of the way, you know, when it's not in use, and I store that right here. That's my new DeWalt HEPA. Sorry, get off track. HEPA RRP. Dust vacuum. That works great. I use it with my DeWalt 779, DW779. Works great. All right, we're getting off subject here. Built some killer bluebird houses yesterday. They're upside down, but we got a door latch there. Like I said, I'm getting off track, I know. But instead of putting a little dowel there, it says it's not good for bluebirds, so I just put some notches in there. That one's kind of crooked, but then I can look in there and see the birds. You know, good to go. I got a 45 where suck and drain out in case it does get wet in there, whichever. And this is old rough sawn cedar, 1x6s. Turn that back upside down. But anyway, and I got a dowel here where I can grab a hole, take a screw out right here, and you know. But I also pressure wash these boards. These were old. I got them from a fence company. These were old, and they hooked me up. This is actually a pressure wash board, cedar board. It's Western cedar. All right. And here's what the boards look like. Sorry, y'all. Yeah, I pressure wash that. So we're on the subject. Those are the brand new boards here. Of course, sitting next to the wood stove, get dry. I ran that yesterday. It was that cool. Got down to the low 50s here the other night. But I pressure washed these. These were nasty. A little bit of Clorox, and then they just came up clean. Yeah. All right, let me just show you the results that we got done. All right. I did my little girls' playhouse, which that's the north side. That was covered in gunk. That come clean with the Clorox and the pickets. Did the whole thing except for the south side. That was nice and clean. But yeah, did that. All right, let's go over here to the deck. I did the whole deck. Pressure wash everything. I mean, y'all, it came out good. I ain't really kidding. Did all the pickets. Clorox, some stuff just wouldn't come off, but that's okay. But here's the deck. That's where carpets were and all that kind of stuff. Let me show you closer up. Right, here are the steps. Those were dirty. And the reason why they're dark now, I put a Sherwin-Williams Super Deck tung oil. natural color stain. But this deck is like brand new. I mean, it's still halfway tacky from putting the tongue on it. But y'all, it's good stuff. I mean, this deck came super clean. In fact, those marks right there, that's where my hose was. And I kind of pressure wash around it like a dum-dum, but hey, you learn. But anyway, you see where the carpet lines were. The overall results were great. And deck's protected, it's nice and smooth. But let the chemical do the work for you. You know, and just barely use a 25 tip. Just kind of, you know, skim it off best you can. Steps going to the pool. Super deck will last you about 3 years. And it smells good and it's clean. I like oil. I don't like water-based products. Except when that's latex on the handrails and pickets. But that comes really clean. But yeah, all right, let's go show you. I'm going to show you the front. Let's go show you the sidewalk. Like I say, everything came clean except those spots. Man, that was full Clorox too, and they wouldn't come off. So, and I didn't want to dig down too deep to take all my paint off. All right, let's go show you the front sidewalk. I just got that finished a few minutes ago. Hey, y'all, hey, I'm just adding this in here. But before I go, this is what I use. Sherwin Super Deck Exterior Deck Stain Transparent Natural. Duck back. Oil base. It's some good stuff. And I only use 2 gallons for my deck. I can't tell you, I forgot the size of it now, but this is good stuff. And there's 2 more cans. I gotta go back to the Sherwin store. But I didn't need, hey, I'd rather have more than not enough. The Super Deck. That's the stuff to get. Also, I'm gonna show you my brush. I bought a, I had to put this in here. This thing blew my mind. I got it soaking in mineral oil right now. But that is a Perdura deck boss, it's called. You put a, a paint stick in it, a paint pole, and you get like a 6-foot pole or a 5-footer. No more bending down, y'all. And I got that's a Yachtsman brush right there, Worcester Yachtsman that I use. But I got it soaking in mineral oil to get it clean. I'm gonna use some mild Dawn and some warm water and blow it out with the air compressor. But I got it soaking. But that thing is divine. I'll show you the box that came in. But yeah, I mean, it took me 3 hours cutting in the deck with a brush and get in between the cracks. And but y'all, this tool right here, Perdura Deck Boss, that is one tough puppy. Got it on Amazon, and it came with a, I think it's a 7-inch brush. 7-inch brush, came with a cleaner, brush cleaner, Perdura Pro Series. Came with a paint can opener, and I guess a bottle opener. Well worth the money. I think it's 39 bucks, but man, it took a lot of pain and stuff getting that deck clean. I mean, painted, sealed, that is. All right, just want y'all to see that. All right, y'all take it easy. All right, here we go. It's about 70 degrees here today, and great conditions for pressure washing. That Whirl-A-Way did a heck of a job. Look at that, y'all. That is clean as can be. That's a brand new sidewalk. Now it's the 3300 PSI Pressure-Pro, 2.5 gallons per minute, and I use that Whirlwind, BE Whirlwind. Did a fantastic job. Also pressure washed some Some, that's just dirt right there, and that's dirt where it's still wet. I aged that the other day. I even pressure wash some bricks over here that had a lot of green stuff on them. But that needs Clorox to get them really clean. And I missed that part. I'm getting ready to replace all this. Got some rotten wood right there. Them posts are going back with all vinyl. All vinyl. We'll do that this fall. That's a shame. Well, they're only 40 years old. Pretty good, considering. But anyway. All right. But yeah, that's what we got so far. Well, hey, we're gonna wrap this video up. And hey, Pressure-Pro pressure washer, good to go. The 3300 PSI model, 2.5 gallon per minute. And Pressure Works, awesome company. Give Lauren a holler. She's the one that sold it to me, as I told her I'd give her a shout out. So hey y'all, thanks for watching. God bless and Semper Fi. Hoorah. Please subscribe. Thank you a lot. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. All right now. Bye-bye.